Summer might be over, but it's time for one last splash. Hey everybody, it's Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we are here pretty much right before Labor Day weekend here, and we're getting one last splash here at our 25th park of the year, which is Hurricane Harbor here in New Jersey by Great Adventures. So this counts as the 25th park because unlike Hershey Park or Wildwood Kingdom with Dorney Park that are actually inside the park, here we are actually separate entrance. You've got the Great Adventure, you've got Hurricane Harbor, and you got the safari here. So basically we were here about 2 years ago on a rainy day, so we're looking to do a new Explorer. We're going to do merch and a couple other things, but of course I'm actually here to actually play today too. So before we start, you know what, might as well kick off a medley here. So we haven't filmed the Explorer, but you know what, you're about to see it right now. All right, so how'd you like that medley? I thought that was a pretty good medley. Now, one of the things I always love about the Hurricane Harbors is they're atmospheric rock. And here's the forecast. It's so easy. It's a giant rock right there. But what you want to do is, if it's rock is hot and dry, that means it's sunny. If it's rainy, the rock's going to be wet. If there's snow, it's going to be cold and white. And it's a hurricane, hold on to the rock. So I always love that kind of aspect here. So we got the Explorer done. So now, and it came back to me, the park came back to me after walking around. Sometimes you don't really remember it after 2 years or so, but I remember this area here was where I ran when it was raining. These trees actually protected me pretty good there, but all in all, pretty good day here. So next thing I want to do is I want to do a merch. I did not see any games and there's no shows, so don't have to worry about that. So right here is Island Traders, so I figured this is the main spot to go. So I'm going to do the merch and I'm going to walk around real quick and do some shorts. So hang on and I'll be back in a minute. All right, so I'm back here at Splash Island. It's been about an hour or so. I went to guest services to let them know who I was, and they kept on saying that, hey, you need to get permission to do this and do that. And I was like, really? Because most parks I don't need to do that stuff. So I wasted about 45 minutes on that, so I decided I'm going to go do some shorts. And so over here is, what is this one? This one is Big Bomba and Reef Runner. And then over here, this is one of the cool slide towers I've seen there. It looks almost brand new. So yeah, so I have a couple more shorts I want to do. I did 2 spotlights of the Splash Island was one, and then I did the other one, which was Discovery Bay. So I got 2 spotlights done. The only thing I might not be able to do is merch, just because I don't want to deal with headaches going to the stores and people wondering what I'm filming. So merch might not happen today, but shorts and spotlights are definitely good to go. So I'm going to head over this way real quick here, and then once I go, let's give you guys another montage. All right, so right there's Island Traders, and we're heading out this way over towards the Winds and stuff. But we're about halfway done with our park day, so I am about to get out of my clothes and actually start enjoying it. So we did all the shorts, we did spotlights, we did the Explore. Only thing I didn't do yet is merch. I might do that, try that later. It's only a few little stores here. But all in all, we're about halfway done with our day. So if you like what we do, make sure you, oh look, the lazy river is opening up. So it is halfway through the day. But if you like what we do, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. If you're looking for exclusive videos, definitely make sure you check out our memberships. It's $1.99 a month, but you get exclusive videos, shorts, full length. You also, every 3 months, you get a nice little giveaway and stuff like that. We just had 2 people hit 3 months, and they both, one got a Kennywood magnet, and the other one got a Water Country USA boat. Oh, here they come. A boat drink cup there. So the memberships are definitely worth it, and you get a lot of exclusives. You also get to see our videos 2 days before we drop them for everybody else. So we're about halfway done, and I'm getting ready to jump into the boathouse and start riding some of these slides. All right, so it is now 4 o'clock, and I actually played for about 2 hours, which was actually pretty good there. I actually got on every tube ride that I was able to do, and some body slides. So what we're going to do here is, even though this is our park day, we're going to be walking quickly through everything. I'm going to tell you about all the slides and what I thought of the different slides, because like I said, I usually don't get to enjoy it. And the first thing I want to do was I did 1 lap on the lazy river, which was actually a lot of fun. This was actually a really decent lazy river, even though you got those water attractions right there, the waterfalls. All in all, you can dodge them if you need to, but that is the lazy river. But over here, the first thing I did was I jumped on the wind, they call it. These are, looks like one of the newer tube slides that they have here, and I got on 3 of them because the blue one right there, it was actually not going, so I wasn't able to get on the blue one here. So what did I think of it? So the first one, I went on green, red, and yellow. That was how the order I did it. And the green one, when it was dry, was really fun. But the one that actually gets me, the number one here, is the yellow one, because you go through 3 waterfalls as you go through it. So with this, I have to go with yellow, green, and red. The green and red are pretty much the same. I'm assuming the blue is pretty much the same as the yellow. But with that being said, definitely, I highly recommend the yellow one right there. So then I jumped over here real quick here. Yeah, going through 3 waterfalls is bam, 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 bam. It's kind of a unique feeling, stuff like that. So that's why that one was number 1. And green just because I started off wet. But then I jumped over here to Discovery Bay, which is the slide tower. And I actually, there's no line. So I actually got on these 2 body slides. And the blue one was definitely the better one of the 2. But yeah, people just don't seem to get on these things, and they were actually kind of fun. The green was very pedestrian, the far one there, but the blue one, if you look there, you got that corkscrew, so that was a lot of fun. So I actually did enjoy that a lot. But right now, rating I still have to go with the yellow one being number 1, and probably that blue one number 2. Even though you do go in a trough, I'm not a big fan of going into troughs. Now, of course, the sun just came out. It's been one of those fun days where it's bright in there. There's the Discovery Cove, and right there, that, bring that up a little bit there. That bucket is the biggest bucket ever. It takes forever for it to fill up to go, but all in all, it is a fun little splash zone, but I didn't actually play on that, except for those 2 slides. So now we're coming through this area here. But yeah, it was nice to actually play, because I usually don't get a chance to play. So this probably is the last outdoor water park that we're going to do this year. It is the Wednesday before Labor Day, so I'm pretty sure most of these are going to be closing down pretty soon, which is a bummer, but 'tis the season, right? And also the water temperature, it was a little chilly, but wasn't too bad, because the air wasn't that hot. It was about 75, maybe 80 at the most. And because of that, so that takes you out to the Blue Lagoon, but didn't do anything with that. A wave pool's a wave pool to me. But there was 2 more slide towers that I did over here. So there's a Blue Lagoon right there, and over here, this is their lazy river again, which has one of the weirdest names. And then over there is Calypso Springs. But yeah, this is a pretty good lazy river. So there's a lot of water features, but you can dodge them if you need to, which is always nice, because I know, like in particular, Janine hates hates it if she cannot dodge it. So, and it's got one of the weirdest names too. It's the Take It Easy Creek. So now one of the bummers for me today was right in front of me there. That's the Calypso Springs, but over here there's the body slide tower that I was talking to some people. They said last week it was going. This week it was not. I think a lot of it has to do with it being the end of the season. But right over here, this would be fun. I do like body slides, but I'm not a big fan of the troughs. So, but I would have loved to do the cliff diver one there. It's called the Falls, so makes sense. But like I said, this attraction was closed today, and I'm thinking it had mostly to do with the lack of lifeguards and stuff. They actually opened the Lazy River pretty late today. But so after that, I decided to. There's only really one store here, so before I jumped on here, I just did a quick 1 minute short of the store. So I did knock out everything, even though it's not a full-length merch. I did get what I needed there, and I still need to grab something to eat. So that might be there. But this is Calypso Springs right there. Let me get a little bit darker. There you go. Now over here is the Tornado, but I skipped the Tornado because it's not a one-person slide. It's I think they call them the Clovers, but it's right there. The big funnel and stuff like that. So that was right there. So I skipped that just because, like I said, I've ridden a million of them, and like I said, they kind of you need a there's a sign for it. You need more than one person, so I didn't want to take that line. But the next ones I did were actually pretty good slides. They're called Bada Bing, Bada Bang, Bada Boom. And that is literally what these slides are called. So let's come over this way here. It's called Bada Bing, Bada Bang, Bada Boom. And they're in order. So I can actually tell you which ones are which. And I can tell you which slides were the best there. So there's the sign, Bada Bing, Bada Bang, Bada Boom. But let me come over this way real quick. So the red one, the orange one here is called Bada Bing. The middle one's called Bada Bang, and the one on the end is Bada Boom. So the order is last place was actually Bada Bing right here. That orange one there. It wasn't very forceful. It was kind of boring. Was not a huge fan. So that one ended up being number 3. Number 2 was Bada Boom, which is the purple one here, the dark purple there. And then the one that I really liked was Bada Bing, Bada Bang. So Bada Bang is the middle one, and I can tell you right off the bat, that was one of the best. So right there, that was Bada Bing going in. Let's see, that's Bada Bang, which was actually my favorite one of these. And in a second, you should probably have Bada Boom. There's Bada Boom, there you go. So these were there, and I am actually going to put Bada Bing, no, Bada Bang, as my top slide right now. That is my top slide. So it beats the yellow one over at the Winds. So that's how that was. And then there's one more slide tower that we need to go to. So, and I'm not gonna lie, it's one of the better ones coming through. All right, a little bit of a cow chute here. Let's walk through this. There we go, we got by them. So these last ones here are the Slide Mountain, Hurricane Mountain they call it. And you can tell it's one of the older slide towers that they have here. So this one's fairly new, the Bada Bing, Bada Bang, Bada Boom. But once again, the middle one, Bada Bang, was my favorite. Bada Bing was my least favorite, and Bada Boom was middle of the road. So let's come over here. So this is Hurricane Mountain. Now the two middle ones I've learned since I've done stuff, the yellow and the green are actually toboggans. So you can see the toboggans going up right now on the conveyor belt right there. So those were the toboggans. I did not do those toboggans. So the ones I did were, so here comes the toboggan right now. So there you go. So that is the orange one. So that is a lot of people's favorite because you got such a drop there. People just really like it. Let me make this a little brighter. So my least favorite was actually over here, the purple. The purple one over there was very listless. There wasn't much to it. So I was not a big fan of the purple. And the purple, you can do the double slides, and the magenta over there, you can do the double slides. The blue and the orange are the single slides, single tubes, and then the middle ones are toboggans. So my least favorite of here was the purple, and then the second least favorite was over here, the magenta. Both of those were kind of just listless. They didn't really pack much of a punch there. So the next one that I was there, going down right there, is the orange. Now, a lot of people like the orange because you do have that drop at the end, which a lot of people enjoy. And it was actually pretty good. That'll be number 4. Here comes toboggan. But my favorite, and it wasn't even close, and I wrote it 3 times because it was by far the best one, and that is the blue one. The blue one right here, because you got a double down. So if you know Jackrabbit over at Kennywood, it's all about the double down. And when you do that second jump, you get airtime. Literally, you leave the table there. So, and I like that one so much that this is number 1. So basically, number 1 is the blue slide. Number 2 is Bada Bang. And number 3 was the orange. So that's how I rank the slides here. But all in all, I was hoping to see somebody come down the blue. So let me hold on a second and see if I can get somebody. All right, so I've been here for a little bit, and that is the second purple to come through. And we actually had 2 greens come through there, but nobody's picking blue. So I'm going to give it another second here because it's hard to believe people don't appreciate blue. I see some water shooting down there. Maybe that means somebody's coming. Because the double down on this is simply fantastic. I am so blown away by it. But yeah, maybe it's not going. Yeah, there's another purple. So, and there's toboggan goes through, and there's an orange. So yeah, it doesn't look like anybody's doing blue, but trust us, they are missing out because that is a double down. That is a lot of fun. So, so those are the slides that we did there. Didn't do anything over here, so that was a big raft ride there. Let me darken this up a little bit. Darken that up just a little bit there. Yeah, so there's a raft ride there, so I skipped that. And then over there is mat slides. I'm not a big fan of the mat slides. So, yeah, I've been stalling as much as I can, but nobody's coming down blue. So that is basically all the slides that I've done today. So, which is kind of nice. And now I'm getting ready to head on out. I did all the videos that I needed to do. I did the Explorer as soon as I came in. I did about 10 or 11 shorts. I did 2 spotlights, and I did a short merch. So this park is kicked because we already did Let's Eat before. There is no Let's Play, and there's no Showtime. So all in all, we are pretty much, this park is kicked for the year, which works out good because in 5 days, this all goes away, guys. It will you know, be all closed down for the year, everything drained in the whole 9 yards. But let us know what you think about Hurricane Harbor in Jackson, New Jersey. I think it's a great adventure park. Personally, out of the Hurricane Harbors I did, I gotta put this one as 3rd. I think number 1 was Darien Lake. Number 2 was Six Flags America, which will be closing in 5 days for good. And then this will be 3rd. I would expect more things. There's no drop slide. There's very little body slides. They have the basics, but they don't have more than the basics. So this one is ranked a little bit lower. But if you want to see more about Hurricane Harbor, check the playlist that just popped up there. And you know what? The algorithm thinks that you are going to like that video that just popped up there. You know what? Why don't you watch it and see if they know you as well as they think they do. Have yourself a great day. And once again, can't wait to see you in the queue in 2026.